What's going on, our beautiful prepping family?
Hi guys!
We're back at it again. Sorry we haven't been back sooner than our last video. Our AC in the house just broke down, so we've been dealing with that, trying to get window AC units, trying to get the right size for the right square footage. So, you know, consider that we have tried at least 3 different AC units in three of the different areas. Each time that we've been to the store back and forth, it's been a headache. But
It's been crazy.
For our experience to you guys is that if you're going to buy an AC unit, make sure it has more than the square footage coverage that you actually need, because you don't want your AC unit to constantly keep
Overworking itself.
Correct. And the coils will freeze, because it's happened to us. So it's just been
pure ice.
Yeah, it's been hectic, crazy. It's been hot. But yeah, we're here back at it again. We're at Sam's. We came to give you guys an update from the last time we was here. See if there's any empty shelves, price increases, inflation. But stay tuned. You know, I know these massive price increases across the U.S. have been occurring here lately.
Outstanding.
Including from gas, food, you know, housing market, you name it. I mean, everything's been insane. All right. Stay tuned, I'm about to show you guys. So before we make it over to the food section, I wanted to show you guys Tupperwares, always good to keep for storage, especially the glass ones. They don't stay smelling like leftover foods when you do store away. And when you wash, they wash it easy. $24.98 for a 24-piece Tupperware set. The reason why I'm showing you guys these Tupperwares is because they are good for prepping food as well, you know?
These are the plastic ones.
Correct. These are the plastic ones.
These bring 50 pieces, but I would preferably like the glass ones versus the plastics.
And it's only $3 less than the glass one, you know? But you could use these to prep.
Absolutely.
You know, prep your food. Hey, it doesn't have to get crazy here for you to prep food. You know, you need to prep during the week for your food, work, you know, personal life, personal things, you know, just in general. These are $20. I would say they're on the cheaper side. I mean, but it brings I don't even know how many pieces it brings. 64 pieces. You know, this is like an entry level on Tupperwares. $20. As you can see here in the produce section. The overstock is empty on the shelves on the overstock that they have here, but they have very limited quantities on their produce section. You know, like their greens, vegetables, fruits.
It's cold as balls.
It is nice and cold in here though. Get your Brussels sprouts for $4.48. It's a 2-pound bag. We like to air fry these. Season them and then air fry them. Tastes really good.
Nice and crunchy.
Celery sticks, $3.88. We like these asparagus. We like to cook these in the oven. We like to roast them. They are really great. They taste good. 2-pound bag, $5.66. Empty spot here, or shelf if you would say. It's grapes. Cotton candy grapes. Empty section. They're running low there. They do have green grapes. 3 pounds for $5.68. But they are running low as well. Shelves above, they're overstocked. You get an iceberg lettuce for $1.98. It's a 2-count. Comes in a 2-bag like this. 2-count for $1.98. It's not bad at all. $1.98 on garden salad. You get a big bag like this. You know, I know you open it, it's not resealable, it could go to waste, but if you buy some Ziploc bags and put it in, you could preserve them for a longer period of time. Coleslaw, $2.28. I do like me some coleslaws in a sandwich. It tastes pretty well. But it's a bag for 2-pound bag for $2.28. Same thing applies as the garden salad. It's not a resealable bag, but you can put it in a Ziploc to preserve it. Pineapple spears. These are really good. The wife and I buy them all the time. It tastes good. It's a good fresh taste when you open them. But you got to eat them fast because they do go bad quickly sitting in the fridge. Jumbo cauliflower, $3.48. Big old head. The Hawaiian rolls are low still as last time in the bread. They are still low on the sweet onions. Red onions they seem to have a little bit more of, but not as much. Yellow onions, a 10-pound bag. Red potato. They are running low as well. Empty right here on the yellow potato. Empty shell. And then baking potato. They are also running low on. And then this is your red meat section. They do have some empty spots. They are running low as well. Let's check out the $1 per pound here on this. Pork bone-in country style ribs. $3.28 a pound. Let's see how much these ribs are here. $3.98 a pound as well. That is pork baby back ribs. $1.98 on bone-in pork chops. A pound, $1.98 a pound. Empty shelving here for their chicken. As you can see. Just empty shelvings here on the chicken. Last time I was here, they were kind of low as well in my last video. You get that ground turkey, 4-pound for $15.48. This is a pretty good deal. I see this deal right here, we always get. They are pretty good. $3.98. That's just ground beef. That's all they have there. Low quantity on that. Here goes your barbecue patties for people that like to grill. Sam's Clubs does have the patties already made and pre-made for you to just toss them on the grill. They definitely have a lot of watermelons though. I mean that they do have a lot of. I guess they must have cut a deal on that. Everybody come prep on watermelons. There's definitely enough to go around. Well, last time I was here, there was no water on the floor. Now it seems like they have leakage on these freezers. Well, last time I was here, they did not have this. You could check my last video out. They were no leakage on the floor at all. And they have some of the freezers empty. Potato sandwich rolls, Martin, for $7.12. What in the hell? Man, them prices are inflated there. So they get their blue label milk, $3.64. Last time this whole freezer in my last video was empty. The red label milk, $3.42. Oh no, that's the low fat actually. I apologize. Somebody put red there. It's a low fat milk, $3.42. The whole milk, which is the red label, $3.96 a gallon. Last time I was in here, my last video, this freezer was completely empty. Completely empty. Look at this box of eggs. 7.5 dozen, $21.53. Now I think this price has gone up on these eggs because it's a 2-pack and it's an 18 count in total for $8.67, and it comes like this. I think that price has gone up. If I'm not mistaken, it used to be $2 less, I would say. But they're running low on stuff as well, like overstock still. I mean, empty shelves up there. I mean, one thing of eggs there. But look, at that rate, man, by the end of the week, they're going to be completely gone. As you can see, the waters are going like crazy here. They're going insane, the waters, man. I mean, look at this. I mean, check this out. That guy just took a cart full of that water, man. That is crazy. Water is low. Empty spots, empty shelves on the water. It is low. I mean, as you can see, look at the food here.
I'm having that my magic curse.
Some spots are emptied. Some spots have low food. As you can see over here as well. Last time, these freezers were completely empty. My last video, these freezers were completely empty. They had completely empty shelves in my last video. Here, all this was completely emptied out. I don't know why, nobody could give me answers. And as you can see, I saw water earlier on one of those freezers. Don't know what's going on here. Yo, check it out, Prepping family. I need these batteries for my camera at the house. They are Blink security cameras, and they're lithium. And look how much them things cost, man. Tell me, guys, do you guys so far don't think that these prices have been insane? I mean, I think they've been ridiculously insane. I mean, you know, these are the Energizer batteries, 2648. You always need batteries, you know, especially when you prep for a storm comes through, you have flashlights, you know, power outage. We never know. You never know what events you come across, what circumstances you may end up in. And you always need batteries. But Costco has these, you know, they are 48 pack, double A's.
This is him.
I mean, not Costco, Sam's. I do apologize, people. I know. I'm tired. I'm sorry, family. I do apologize.
Don't forgive him, guys. Do not forgive him.
I sure did. I did mess up. Oh man, I did mess that one up, people. I do apologize. So the 2.5 gallon of corn oil, Masola, $26.68, people. That little itty bitty thing, a 3 liter, $14.68. Olive oil, $13.58. 2 liter now.
You can't forget avocado oil.
Okay, yes, the avocado oil. They are pretty good.
They're awesome.
This is the oil we buy. They are really good. Canola oil, $13.48. This is a 6-pack, 15-ounce cans of $5.98 for black beans. And the size, it's like this, people. And then they got the pinto beans from Bush's Best also, $5.98. Same thing applies to that on the 16-ounce. Red beans. So Sam's does have the baby formula, I would say, yes. It's called Gentle Infant Formula Milk Base Powder with Iron. It is the Members Mark for $24.98. They do have some in stock. You know, also they have those, but I don't think that's for infants. Nah, that's not for infants. But they do have the Nido as well. It does come in handy. Lady Sam's Club also has this electric shaver. You know, it does have 5 refillable moisturizers. Pretty dope. Not bad. It's limited time, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's $34.97. Not bad, ladies. Not bad. Last time I was here, the gas was high. Yo, it has went down. The gas definitely has went down. I would say that. $4.58 for premium and unlimited, $4.13. Gas has gone down. Well, there you have it, Preppin' family. We just came out of Sam's. Prices were inflated. And empty. They did have some empty shelves.
A lot of empty shelves.
You know, just wanted to show you guys what was going on and the update from our last video. We do appreciate you tuning in. We do appreciate the love and support. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It does help. It does show the love and support as well.
We love you guys.
We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.